Mambo VP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to type a fraction using Microsoft Excel. So there are two ways. The first one is using the symbol and the other one is using the equation. So I'll first with the symbol. So straight to the insert, then go here to the symbol, then make sure you search for Latin 1 supplement. So for instance, if it was basic Latin, go there, here, then go for Latin 1 supplement. Sometimes you can write it because for me, I have it already, just Latin 1 supplement, then here, fraction. So by clicking insert, it will insert to a particular cell. So you see this one, I can try to maximize it. So here you can put, for instance, you can add another number here if you want to, 1.5, you see. So this is the first way. The second way is by using equation. So I'll just go to equation, then I'll select insert new equation. So you can insert equation here, having this, then you can go to fraction, then you can choose this one, this one, this one, this one. You want the slant, forward slant, the back slant fraction. For me, I choose the simple one, this one. So here inside you can type 1, and here you can type 2. So this is the way of actually typing a fraction using Microsoft Excel in two ways, using by insert option in Excel, either by symbol using Latin 1 supplement, and equation by typing the particular equation. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Gracias.